Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a little something different for you. Tina caught some fantastic footage yesterday and we want to share it with you, so hang on until after the break. I'll tell you what we're talking about. Alright guys, welcome back. Today is hot and muggy. It is a day unfit to do much, but we did harvest our Concord grapes. Tina got out there. She was fighting with the bird net and doing a balancing act on a ladder, and she got the Concord grapes brought down. So they still need processed. We'll get them down to just the purple berries, and then we've got a steam juicer we'll run them through, and then we're going to be making some Concord grape jelly jam. So we're excited about that, guys. That's going to be a great addition, and we like sharing it with friends and family. So guys, what we did is yesterday we had a big storm come in, and around here the storms are kind of unusual. We live about 2/3 of the way up the Smokies to the crest. So, and there's kind of like parallel ridges that go down from the top, and we live in a valley between two ridges. That's why we have the creek that runs through our property. It's the center of the valley. So, and we also have probably the only flat 7.5 acres in East Tennessee. So guys, we're gonna film this storm coming in. You'll see the clouds, how they work here is the clouds will they come in from the west, and they'll pile up against the crest of the mountains, and they will continue to pile up until they have enough to just put on a good show. So we're gonna film those piling up a little bit. We got some rough footage pieces of you know, just different angles of the clouds piling up, and then you'll see they kind of blend together and come together in a nice rainstorm. So we're gonna play that footage. If that's not your thing, we understand. Please don't thumbs down the video just because it's a little different. It's just it's what we had to share with you today. So we got some nice footage of a thunderstorm. If you like that kind of thing, we hope you enjoy it. We put some words and some music over it a little bit, so make it a little more tolerable. But if you like that kind of thing, please hang around, watch the video. If you don't, please go on, find you something good to watch. Go over there and watch our buddy Keeping It Dutch. Or how about if you're into cooking, go over there and check out Cooking with James. He's a great guy, good friend, and made some chicken wings the other day I'm kind of jealous of. But you can check out Cooking with James. But guys, we're gonna go ahead, roll this storm footage. I'll come back and talk to you when it's over, and we hope you enjoy it. All right, guys, that's about going to wrap it up for us. It wasn't that terrible of a storm, and if it had been a little later and a little darker, the lightning would have put on a lot better show. But guys, that's just how it goes around here. We get a pretty frequent rain, and we like watching it build back in against the mountains, and it's doing a little bit of it now, even while I'm talking to you. So we're not sure. Maybe we'll get enough in here before dark. If it usually around here, if the clouds haven't piled up before dark, then it won't rain. So they won't usually start at night. So if it's not already rolling, then we probably won't get it. So guys, we appreciate you coming by the channel. We hope you enjoyed the content here. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. And down next to the subscribe button is a bell. If you'll ring that bell, that'll send you a notification whenever we release a new video. That's a great way to keep up with the channel, guys. Even if you think you've rung that bell before, please go ahead and hit it again, and double check your settings on it. You want it set to make sure you receive all notifications. So go ahead, open that bell up, take a look at it, make sure you got it set the way you want it. And then guys, like I said, we appreciate you coming by and spending your time with us. If you like the video, please hit that thumbs up button, or leave us any questions or comments down below. I know in the words of the video, I asked if anybody had any ideas for the channel, things you might like to see. If you want to see me do some shooting, or Tina do some fishing, or any number of other things. I'm going to be working on a John boat here for a little bit, and getting it ready to go. I'm going to spend some time with my father doing some fishing, and we're going to try to get that boat ready to go. But just any number of things, if you want to see, or projects you might want to see going on this winter, then leave them down there in the questions and comments, or just say hello and let us know how your day is going. We'll say hello back and let you know how our day is going. But guys, we really appreciate you here at the channel. I'm not going to keep you any longer. We just wanted to say hi. We hope you'll say hi back, and we'll catch you in the next one.